Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make ice cream out of rose petals. Ingredients are roses freshly picked, maple syrup, vanilla flavor, soy milk, cocoa nibs and mint tea. First we're going to make the tea and sink the roses. We're going to eventually grind the cocoa nibs and warm it gently with the soy milk. We're going to take the roses after half an hour of the tea and we're going to mix the tea with a little bit of maple syrup, we make it sweet, and with vanilla flavor and bring it to warm. As it's boiling, we're going to drop the petals, take it off fire. Then we're going to mix it with the soy milk and with the cocoa nibs. Next, we're going to let it to cool down a little bit, mix it well, and put it in the freezer. It will take about 5 to 6 hours to freeze, so I would recommend to stir it from time to time. That's it, that's all. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Cheers!